I tested 10 of the best carpet sweepers, and let me tell you, I ran this guy through the gauntlet. So this is the Yocada carpet and floor manual sweeper, and I want to tell you a little bit more about it. So first of all, you might, if you're looking at this thing, you're probably trying to go and figure out, well, does it do everything that it claims to do? And very short, very quick, the answer is yes. Yes, it does. It is great on carpet. I find that it's great with pet hair, which we'll look at all that. And I would say it is not so great on hardwood. Let's get into that. So, pet hair, right? So, here's what I did. So, I actually took cat hair and I put it all over the floor, and then I used this. I wanted to see how well is it going to pick up really tough cat hair. Well, and I think it actually did a fairly good job. Now, it worked for cat hair, it's going to work for dog hair. I'm going to assume I didn't use it with dog hair, but it's kind of the same. So I used a lot because if you have something like a husky, something that just sheds, then you're definitely going to want something. And maybe pulling out the whole vacuum isn't it. Well, this I think will do just fine. Now, I wanted to know how well this was going to work on a carpet. And so here's what I did. I actually put rice on the carpet because I wanted to see how well it would work. Let me tell you, it worked really well. But of course it did. That's what it's designed to do. But here's the thing. That carpet is a pretty thin carpet. So that's what I wanted to see is it going to go and catch on something? And it didn't. And it picked up the rice really well. Now, I wanted to know some things like how difficult is it to go and clean these rollers, right? Because to me, it looks like the hair is just going to wrap around the roller. And let's be honest, that is going to be a downside of any carpet sweeper that you pick up. With this one, it's not going to be any different. But one good thing is that it's also not going to be too difficult to unwrap it. So that's the con of this specific type of carpet sweeper or vacuum. Now, something that is really difficult for you to see or understand from a listing is how heavy is this? Well, this is only 3.2 pounds. So it's really lightweight. It's very lightweight. It's so lightweight, even a child can use it. And you know what? I don't think that's a bad idea. But I digress. So it is really, really light. And that way the push and the pull is not going to take it out of you. For me, one of the things that I hate about traditional vacuums is how heavy they are or how much resistance there is pulling and pushing, because you're not doing it once, especially if you're doing a whole house. You're doing it like 100 times. While it's great for the arms, it's horrible for the arms too at the same time. So it is super, super light. Now, I am 5'7". And so I also wanted to know how high is this going to be, because I'm going to have to use it. And, some of the reviews mentioned that it was kind of short. Well, let me tell you, it's really not. It's about the same size as a vacuum. So that I measured it, it's 42.5 inches tall. So really, again, it's a lot like your traditional vacuums. So are you still going to be doing this? Yes, you are. But you're doing the same thing with a vacuum. So keep that in mind, that it is going to be like that. Now, if you want something a little bit taller, it's not going to be a lot taller, but there is one of these, I believe it's the white, that does have a few extra handles in the middle that'll make it longer for you. So if you need something taller, then I recommend that one. But this one is perfectly fine. And again, I'm tall for a female. So keep that in mind. So I also wanted to know, how well is this going to work on hardwood? Well, that's what I tested. I tested it twice. So first, I tested it with coffee grounds and rice right next to each other, and it didn't really do that well at all, to be honest with you. It just kind of pushed it around. So I decided, okay, maybe those were too small. So I tested it again with Cheerios. Well, again, it didn't really do that well. So this is not going to be it for you if you're looking for something for your hardwood or your tile. So keep that in mind. Oh, it was very quiet. Like you really didn't hear anything, which is one of the benefits of this. That way, if you have like a baby sleeping or people are sleeping around you, or maybe you could have people watching TV, you can use this just to quickly go over your carpets and it'll be perfectly fine. Now, how do you empty this? On the bottom, there's actually these two like circles that say push. And what you'll do is you'll push them at the same time and it will actually flip open a door. And that's how you can just empty it into the trash bin. Super simple. The first time I did it, I wasn't really sure how hard I had to push in. It wasn't difficult. It was just more of, I didn't realize that you push it in and it'll snap and it'll stay open. I just assumed you push it and, when you're not pushing it, it closes. Well, that's not the case. So, is it worth the money? I think it is, honestly. For me, I really don't like always taking out my vacuum cleaner because, again, it's heavy. So, this is something that's really nice that will do very well. I would say, like during the week, basically. And that way, when I really want to get in and I really want to do like a deep vacuum, then I'll bring out the vacuum. But this is nice for every day. So if that's what you're looking for, then I highly recommend picking this one up.